Brain Dojo, English, Step Up Series, Beginner to Intermediate and Intermediate Casual. Let's go! Today we step into the world of art, exploring ways to smoothly express ourselves at the museum. We're going to cover 3 levels, each starting with a word focus followed by a short passage. If you need more time to absorb the content, slowing down the video is a great strategy. And remember, you can always come back and watch it at normal speed once you're comfortable with the new terms. Let's go. Beginner level. Brain Dojo. English. Word. Focus. Museum. A building or place where works of art or historical items of value are displayed. Noun. Paintings. Pictures made with paint. Noun. Colourful. Full of colour. Having bright or a lot of different colours. Adjective. Beautiful. Very pretty or attractive. Adjective. Sculptures. Art made by shaping materials like stone or metal. Noun. Photographs. Pictures taken with a camera. Noun. Realistic. Looks like real life. Example sentence. This video game is very realistic. Adjective. Brain Dojo. English. Hit subscribe to stay updated with our latest learning content. Now let's dive into the passage. Listen carefully and then pause if you would then like to read it yourself. Do this as many times as you like, because repetition and review are essential steps in your learning journey. Let's begin. Tom loves art. He goes to an art museum. First he sees paintings. They are colourful and beautiful. Then he looks at sculptures. They are big and interesting. Tom also sees photographs. They look realistic. He learned a lot about art and had a great day at the museum. Now is the time to pause if you would like to practice reading the passage to yourself. Otherwise we will continue. Let's go. Intermediate level. Brain Dojo. English. Word. Focus. Avid. Having or showing a keen interest in, or enthusiasm for something. Adjective. Famous. Known by many people. Adjective. Visit. To go see and spend time at a place or with someone. Example sentence. I want to visit Paris one day. Verb. Vibrant. Full of energy and life. Often used to describe bright and striking colours. Adjective. Varied. Consisting of or including many different types, forms or kinds. Adjective. Fascinated. Very interested or amazed by something. Adjective. Intricate. Very complicated or detailed. Example sentence. Intricate gears moved inside the machine. Adjective. Captivated. Attracted and held the interest or attention of something. Example sentence. His story captivated us from start to finish. Verb. Appreciation. Recognition and enjoyment of something or someone. Example sentence. He expressed appreciation to his fans. Noun. Brain Dojo. English. Now let's dive into the passage. Listen carefully and then pause if you would then like to read it yourself. Do this as many times as you like. Let's go. Tom, an avid art lover, visits a famous art museum. His visit begins with the paintings section, where he admires the vibrant colours and varied styles. Moving to the sculptures area, Tom is fascinated by the intricate details. In the photography section, he is captivated by the lifelike images. Tom enjoyed his visit and increased his appreciation of art. Now is the time to pause if you would like to practice reading the passage to yourself. Otherwise we will continue. Let's go. Intermediate casual level. Brain Dojo. English. Word. Focus. Check out. Examine, investigate, or look at something of interest. Example sentence. Let's check out the new cafe. Phrasal verb. Well known. Known by many people. Example sentence. She's a well-known author. Adjective. Totally into. Very interested or enthusiastic about something. Example sentence. I'm totally into wildlife photography. Phrase. Edgy. Bold and exciting, often in a way that is new or different. Example sentence. This cafe has an edgy, modern vibe. Adjective. Amazed. Very surprised or impressed. Example sentence. I'm amazed how quickly he learns. Adjective. Blown away. Astonished or very impressed by something unexpected. Example sentence. I was blown away by her singing voice. Phrasal verb. Vivid. Bright, clear and colourful. And/or easy to imagine. Example sentence. Her dream last night was vivid and strange. Adjective. Cool. Fashionable, impressive or very good. Example sentence. She thinks vintage cars are cool. Adjective. Brain dojo. English. Now let's dive into the passage. Listen carefully and then pause if you would then like to read it yourself. Do this as many times as you like. Let's go. Tom, a big fan of art, checks out a well-known art gallery. He starts with the paintings, totally into the bright colours and edgy styles. Next, he goes to the sculptures, amazed by how detailed they are. In the photo section, Tom's blown away by the vivid pictures. Tom's trip was awesome and taught him a lot about art. Now is the time to pause if you would like to practice reading the passage to yourself. Thanks for watching and stepping up your English with us. Enjoyed the video? Clicking subscribe is not only the quickest way to give us a thumbs up, but also fuels our passion to create even more exciting content for you. Looking to progress your English even further? Check out Brain Dojo online for personalised, adult one-on-one tutoring. The link is in our bio. See you next time. Let's go.